Hello, educators. Typing.com is committed to making typing accessible for every student, and we proudly align with Web Content Accessibility Guidelines 2.2 Level AA. This video will show you how to enable our built-in accessibility options. Let's start by seeing these powerful options in action, directly from the student's perspective. When a student logs in, they'll immediately experience the active accessibility features you've enabled. For example, they might see the high contrast theme or the dyslexic friendly font. As they begin a lesson, you'll notice the specific one-hand only keyboard layout activated, all tailored to their unique needs. Now, let's look at how you, as the educator, can enable and customize these settings for your students. We'll begin by focusing on individual student adjustments. It's just as easy as navigating to a student's profile from your teacher dashboard and clicking on their settings icon. Within their student settings, you'll find an accessibility tab. Here, you'll discover a variety of options designed to support diverse learning needs. You can enable a dyslexic font for better readability, or activate a high contrast theme to assist students with vision impairments. For those who benefit from auditory support, you can enable Dictation, or turn on Closed Captions for videos. To provide direct audio feedback, simply enable typing sounds. And for students with physical input limitations, you have the flexibility to enable right-hand or left-hand typing only, adjusting the typing instructions to teach typing all keys using just one hand. Any changes you make on this tab will override their class-level settings, giving you granular control for individualized education plans. After making your choices, remember to click Save All Changes. Active students will need to log out and back in for these changes to take effect. Beyond individual student adjustments, you can also set these accessibility options for an entire class. From your teacher dashboard, simply navigate to the Classes tab on the left. Then, select the specific class you wish to edit and click the settings icon for that class. Within class settings, you'll again find the Accessibility tab, where you can apply these same comprehensive options across your whole class. After making your selections, remember to click Save All Changes. Typing.com's accessibility options truly ensure every student can engage effectively and succeed. To learn more, subscribe to our YouTube channel or click another video to keep watching.